How to unblock a permanently blocked SIM card.
In this video, we will go through the steps you need to take to unblock a permanently blocked SIM card. This can happen if you've entered the wrong PIN or PUK code too many times. Let's get started.
Can a permanently blocked SIM card be unblocked?
Unfortunately, once a SIM card is permanently blocked, it cannot be unblocked. The only option is to get a new SIM card with the same phone number from your service provider.
How to get a new SIM card?
1. Contact your service provider. Call or visit your service provider's website to request a new SIM card. Explain that your SIM card is permanently blocked and that you need a replacement. 2. Verify your identity. Your service provider may require you to provide personal information and/or answer security questions to confirm your identity. 3. Choose a method to receive the new SIM card. Depending on your service provider, you may be able to pick up the new SIM card in person at a store or have it mailed to your address.
What should I do after receiving the new SIM card?
1. Insert the new SIM card. Remove your old, blocked SIM card from your phone and insert the new one. Refer to your phone's manual if you're unsure how to do this. 2. Activate the new SIM card. Follow the activation instructions provided by your service provider. This may involve calling a specific number or sending a text message. 3. Set a new PIN. To prevent future blockages, set a new PIN for your SIM card. Choose a secure PIN that you can remember, but avoid using easily guessable combinations like 1234 or 0000. In summary, if you have a permanently blocked SIM card, the only solution is to get a new one from your service provider. Be sure to follow the steps provided in this video to smoothly replace your blocked SIM card and set a secure PIN to avoid future issues.